The battle is on. Who will be the Jamaica Labour Party JLP candidate for Clarendon Central in the next general election? Will it be Joel Williams, the current mayor of May Pen and Mike Henry's hand-picked successor? Or will it be Delroy Williams, the former mayor of Kingston, now deputy mayor, and Andrew Holness's apparent pick? Let's be real, Joel Williams has not done a good job as mayor. May Pen is dirty, run down, and full of mad people wandering the streets, yet nothing is being done to fix it. The town needs a facelift, but under Joel's leadership, it has only gotten worse. And now, this is the man Mike Henry wants to take over his long-held JLP stronghold? On the other hand, Delroy Williams resigned from the Senate today, seemingly to make his move on Central Clarendon. He is from Paisley, May Pen, but let's not fool ourselves, his entire political career has been spent in Kingston, not Clarendon. He served as mayor of Kingston, and now deputy mayor, but his track record isn't exactly grandstanding, and despite being from May Pen, many people in the constituency do not want him as their MP. So what now? The truth is, neither Joel nor Delroy is a great choice, and the people know it. But as we all know in Jamaica, elections are not about who can actually do the work. They are about party color. JLP supporters will vote JLP, PNP supporters will vote PNP, and the cycle continues. But before the people even get a say, there's one more hurdle. The JLP delegates. They are the ones who must first decide, Joel or Delroy. Only one can get the party's blessing to run. If the delegates pick the wrong man, it could cause even more frustration among voters. But will it be enough to shake up this JLP stronghold? Only time will tell.